Hey traders, welcome back to the Modest Money channel. You've probably been digging around for the best prop firm for options trading, and Maverick Trading keeps popping up, right? But what if the firm promising you big payouts has hidden roadblocks? Today we're cracking open Maverick Trading, one of the biggest names in options prop firms. Does it live up to the hype, or are traders walking into a trap? Let's find out. But before we dive into the ins and outs of this options prop firm, let's talk about real trader experiences. Because let's be honest, reviews don't lie. So, we took a deep dive into users' reviews, both good and bad. And when it comes to prop firms, the bad reviews tell you more than the good ones ever could. Here's one of the more critical reviews we came across. One trader said he initially thought Maverick Trading was professional. He'd contacted them with a strong trading history. But after a few emails, he was told about a $4,000 fee, ongoing monthly costs, and some mandatory trading psychology course. He felt misled because none of that was mentioned up front. And when he pushed back, communication apparently went silent. Yeah, not a great look. But here's where we have to step back and look at this with a bit more context. Maverick Trading responded directly and acknowledged his frustration. They pointed out that they run a structured trader development program, not a typical salaried role. They also clarified that before interviews even begin, they always lay out the costs in a presentation video. Now look, no one likes being asked to pay up front, but this isn't some shady fee that gets sprung at the last second. If you watch the video, read the docs, and ask questions, you're going in with eyes wide open. Now, here's the reality of this options trading prop firm. Maverick has thousands of traders, and the majority are raving with praises. One trader who completed Maverick's training said it was intense but incredibly rewarding. He highlighted the quality of instruction and the depth of the option strategies taught. Was it pricey? Yes. But according to him, that $7,000 training fee becomes refundable once you've traded successfully and earned profits based on a 70-30 splits. He also mentioned a $5,000 performance bond that gives you access to a $25,000 account. That's strong praise coming from someone who's been through the full process. Another trader said he joined Maverick because he wanted something more serious than the usual online prop firms. A few months in, he was already funded with real firm capital. He called the one-on-one coaching and support system unmatched and said that if you're serious about trading for a living, Maverick is absolutely worth it. So, why are traders calling Maverick the best prop firm for options trading? What does Maverick Trading actually offer? First off, this is not your run-of-the-mill prop firm for options. Maverick gives you access to real firm capital. And we're not talking pennies. Pass a few key tests, and you can start with $25,000 funded options trading account. Then scale that up to 6 or even 7 figures, depending on your performance. That kind of access is a big reason why they're often ranked the best prop firm for options trading. But it's not just about the money. They offer a deep educational track that covers everything from technical analysis to market psychology. And we're not talking surface-level stuff here. This is a structured, in-depth curriculum that helps you actually understand the market. They teach dozens of option strategies tailored to different conditions so that you're not just guessing trades. You're building a system. That education isn't handed out to just anyone either. You have to pass their interview and complete the trial period first. Once you're in, you get access to videos, coaching sessions, simulations, and real-world scenarios that mirror what it's like to manage serious money. Now, let's talk flexibility. Maverick lets you trade stocks, options, futures, and Forex. If you want to diversify your strategies or switch things up based on market conditions, you can. This isn't a place where you're boxed into one product. It's built to support multiple trading paths. And when it comes time to actually get your money from your options-funded account, withdrawals are smooth and seamless. You can pull your earnings via ACH or direct bank transfer. Just close out your positions, submit your request, and you'll get your payout in about 5 business days. No commissions on transfers, no sketchy delays. Plus, there's a hard rule that by year-end, December 31st, all your profits are withdrawn to your personal account, which means everything stays clean and organized for tax time. Bottom line, Maverick Trading is designed for traders who are serious about turning this into a long-term career, not people chasing fast cash, not weekend dabblers, but real, committed options traders. And when you stack them up against prop firms that allow options trading like TradeFunder, T3 Trading Group, and SMB Capital, Here's what stands out. Most of those options, prop trading firms, don't offer the same level of structure, mentorship, and education. Some prop firms for options trading have lower barriers to entry, sure, but they also leave you more on your own. Maverick's approach is hands-on, guided, with clear expectations and real accountability. That's what separates the hobbyists from the professionals in the world of options prop firms. But let's be real here. Maverick isn't perfect. If there's one thing that might trip up newer traders, it's the fact that this prop firm for options trading doesn't come with its own built-in trading platform. Yep, that means you'll need to set yourself up with a compatible trading platform on your own. For some, that might sound like a hassle, but here's the truth. That's not necessarily a bad thing, because when you're trading with real money, you should be choosing a platform that works best for your strategy, not being forced into whatever system the firm happens to offer. But what does it cost to get started with Maverick Trading? Maverick Trading gives traders access to serious capital, from $25,000 all the way up to millions of dollars, depending on your performance. That kind of firepower doesn't come for free, but it is structured to benefit long-term traders who are serious about building a career. Check the link in the description for the most accurate Maverick commissions and fees. We keep that updated with the latest promos and discounts, and you don't want to miss those. So, is Maverick Trading the best prop firm for options trading? Here is my honest verdict. If you're looking for a prop firm options trading that actually trains you, funds you, and holds you accountable like a real pro, then yes, Maverick is the way to go. Check the link in the description of this video to get started with our special discount and coupon.